Mr. Chairperson, Honorable Ministers, Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by extending my sincere gratitude to the government of Brazil and the International Labour Organization for convening this third global conference on child labor being held in this beautiful city of Brasilia. I am pleased to join former speakers in addressing and sharing views and best practices adopted by Nepal in eliminating worst form of child labor at this global platform. We greatly value the unity and the solidarity of all stakeholders and continue to be part of consensus-based approach to eliminating the worst form of child labor prevalent in our today's world. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an acknowledged fact that child labor is a pervasive problem throughout the world, especially in developing countries. Despite our continuing efforts at national and international levels, a sizable number of child labor is still prevailing in our today's world. The road to full eradication of child labor is long and strenuous. Nepal is a party to almost all core human rights conventions, including the Convention on the Rights of the Child and a number of ILO conventions such as 138, 182, and 105, and compile them with an appropriate enactment in the national legislation pertaining to child labor. More importantly, the interim constitution of Nepal comprehensively protects the rights of the child and explicitly prohibits use of child labor. The state is directed by the Constitution to pursue a policy of providing socio-economic security to the economically and socially backward classes, including the landless and bonded laborers, and to adopt special provisions based on positive judgment for their protection. Moreover, Nepal abolished the system of kamalaris, working girls as domestic workers in consideration for debts borrowed by their parents. Various programs are underway for the rehabilitation of such kamalaris. Child labor is not a phenomenon that can be dealt with in isolation. It is both a cause and a consequence of poverty and low levels of social welfare. We firmly view that in tandem of legal measures to eliminate worst form of child labor, we need to address the crux more precisely that are associated particularly with poverty, hunger, gender inequality, lack of access to the education, social insecurity, lack of decent work for parents are, among others, the root causes of germinating of this form of problems, thereby compelling children to go to a work. The problem of child labor thus demands multi-pronged approach to be dealt with. With this spirit in line, Nepal has implemented several policies, periodic plans, programs, and action plans such as the Child Policy and the National Master Plan on Child Labor. The government of Nepal, thus revising National Master Plan on Child Labor 2011 to 2020 to address the problem of child labor through socio-economic reforms in a planned manner. Ladies and gentlemen, Nepal is placing its high efforts to reduce the absolute poverty level in the country, and in recent years, results are being surfaced positively. With this, Nepal has been able to reduce poverty level significantly from 42% to 25% in line of the Millennium Development Goals, MDGs. The new National Master Plan has also adequately incorporated the objectives of the Hague Roadmap to eliminate all forms of child labor. Nepal has already introduced child-friendly local governance framework that support to implement child-friendly local governments at various village development committees and municipalities in view to protecting and promoting rights of the child. Similarly, the civil society organizations and the media are also actively engaged in supporting the government campaigns against child labor. Ladies and gentlemen, in the educational sphere, Nepal has implemented education for all and school sector reform programs. Such mandatory school education programs in turn have supported greatly in increasing enrollment of children up to 95.6%. The Education for All envisages that by 2015, there will be universal access to the quality-based education. This has significantly contributed in reducing child labor as more children are going to school. Ladies and gentlemen, while concluding, I would like to reiterate and reaffirm that Nepal is fully committed to the international initiatives, enacting in its policy and devising appropriate strategies to achieve the target set forth in eliminating worst form of child labor and other forms of child labor. The efforts need joint hands of all relevant stakeholders. Thank you for your attention. Namaste and very good morning.
Obrigado.